my channel. If you're new, my name is Belinda and welcome. Beauties, today I'm going to be doing another DIY using Dollar Tree item. I'm excited about this DIY because it's something that I've not done. I've always wanted to do, I just had not done it. It's like, it sounds like I'm doing something bad, right? Beauties, before that we get started, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you could tap that bell icon so that you could be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, my beauties, I'm going to go ahead and show you what items I'm going to be using for this DIY. It is these right here, and these are called puffy stickers. I am going to use this hello right here, and I am going to use this cell phone case. I love to just change out my phone cases. I do that all the time. So I don't like to buy expensive phone cases because I'm constantly changing them out. So I had an idea with this one that I purchased not too long ago. I love the burlap material that it has on this phone cover. When I saw this, I'm like, I can do something with this. But I had not found anything that I really wanted to put on here until I came across these right here. And I'm also going to use these stickers that are pearls. I had also hauled these a while back. So if you want to see how I'm going to personalize this phone case, then please keep watching. I decided to embellish a second phone cover, but we're going to start with this first one. I'm also going to use this nail art from Sassy and Chic, some E6000 for a permanent hold, a wood stick, a glue gun. Okay, let's begin with our first phone case. Okay, I'm going to start by hot gluing and super gluing the puffy stickers. You can basically just use anything that you like to embellish your phone covers. I really like the hello and the pineapple stickers, so those are the ones that I'm going to use on my phone cover. I'm going to start by adding some E6000 and then some hot glue. I'm going to add the pearl stickers around the phone case. As you can see, the strand of beads have a strip of glue underneath, so it makes it easier to attach it to any item. But that won't hold them permanently, so that's why I'm going to use some E6000. This is where the stick comes in really handy by using it to get a bead of glue. Okay, I'm done adding all the pearls, and this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna add the Sassy and Chic nail art. They're little bows with rhinestones in the center. I knew that when I purchased them, I could use them for something, not necessarily for my nails, but for some kind of a project. Okay, I'm done with my first phone case, and this is how it turned out. It is amazing what you can do with some of the items that Dollar Tree has on hand in the crafting department. But you don't necessarily have to go to Dollar Tree to buy these items. If you have some maybe old bracelets that you don't use anymore, you can use those little charms to also embellish a phone case as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the second phone case. If you wanna see how I embellish that one, then please keep watching. Okay, for this second phone case, I'm gonna use this yellow colored phone case that I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. I love this yellow, it just looks so springy. I'm also gonna use some of these buttons. I purchased these at the Dollar Tree as well a while back. Some twine, one pipe cleaner, E6000, my smaller glue gun. So with this phone case, I wanted to personalize it by adding a letter to it. Of course, a B for Belinda. So I'll be using the pipe cleaner for that. But I'm gonna start by wrapping some twine all around the pipe cleaner. I wanted to give this phone cover a crafter's look, if you will. The nice thing about embellishing your own phone case is that you can personalize it as to your likes. I'm gonna start by adding a little bead of hot glue to the top of the pipe cleaner. And then I'm gonna start winding the twine around the pipe cleaner till I completely cover it all. And this is how the pipe cleaner looks once it's all covered in twine. And now I'm gonna start to shape my letter. I went ahead and I used a piece of twine to put it in the center of my letter so that it could keep its shape. And here is my letter B. Now it's time for me to glue it onto the phone case. I'm going to be adding a bead of hot glue to the top of my letters so they can hold together. And then I continue to add hot glue where needed. This is the first time that I use this technique to create a letter. Okay, so now the fun begins. I'm gonna start embellishing it with buttons and pearls and with the nail art as well. After I finished videotaping this, I ended up putting some pearls and the nail art. Okay, so this is how my second phone case turned out. I really love how this one came out. I even put a little clothespin there at the bottom. I hope this inspires you to do your own phone case and give it your personal touch. Okay, my beauties, that is it for this do-it-yourself custom design phone case video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. And also, please give it a thumbs up and share. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you again on my next video. So until then, bye-bye and God bless.